Okay guys, the Subi's been idling about 7 minutes. I just restarted the computer. See if our issue's fixed. Ooh. Maybe a little grease right there. Not really grease. Needs more than that. She got new front suspension and rear suspension. Before we make a decision on that, we are going to go ride in hear that? Sounds like a brake is dragging. Barely see. My eyes out maybe. Just look fuzzy. Oh, it looks fuzzy. Let's see if I can't clean the windshield. It's been sitting, so it's possible. I didn't notice all that earlier. Am I out of washer fluid? No. There she goes. Might see some animals on the way out of here. That would be nice. 179.6. Come on, baby. We're almost up to running temp. I've got to shut the windows. Jenny's got out of her seat. It's so cold. Sorry, baby. She was like, Daddy, you're freezing me. Okay. Hop on back up in there, girl. See if we can't pull some heat out for you. You get up in there, boo? What's in here? Come on. There you go. Sit down there. Detailing your car all the time. $25 max. That is so super bright in that camera and in my eyes. Really darken that some for you. Loving that. Automated. Comes in. Plenty of heat. Wow. Okay, turning that down. I don't know if these open in or out. Well, there's a little walk around gate. If you're foot traffic, you can park out front and walk in if it's before they open. Oh, hold on. Uh-oh. Now we've triggered the gate. We're gonna have to re-trigger the gate. Means I gotta back up. See if it'll trigger again this close. Nope. It didn't just lock us in. There she goes. Must be some sort of photo eye. I had to reset the photo eye. Thanks for joining me, guys. Deer. Deer, deer. 2, 3. At least 3 deer, guys. Wow. Watch that temp. Trying to watch that mileage. I'm hoping we can get maybe a little more than a gallon. I saw some reflectors up here on something. Probably the mailbox or the gate on the other side. Those deer were headed this direction, so I'm just gonna ease on through here. Wow, you really could not see them out on that side. That's all she got for lights now. I'm used to having the big lights. I am missing those things. So this month's goal is to replace those 7-inch lights with, well, I'm thinking a flat light bar is going to be the most durable. Those 7-inch lights, really, I don't know. I'd like to say they stand it a chance, but I don't really think they did. I put my seatbelt on. Notice it's not beeping at you. I know, that's a cool little feature. Nice for adventure drives, allows you to drive along without your seatbelt on, which is beauty-mous. There is that super bright LED I'm going to be replacing in the dash. Oh, blinding. 192.2. Yep. 190. 186.8. Great idea. Yes. You're full of great ideas. Go in and say, I'd like to sample your fish and chips fish before I buy some. Yeah, that's a good idea because I want to make sure it's good. Okay, guys, it's looking good to me. I would say we're A-O-Tay. A-O-Tay-Tay-Tay-O, maybe. right there. See you guys in a bit.